this is most likely going to be more clickbait. So, first off, no, I didn't pay that price for this controller. I paid less. In Australia, I don't know about anywhere else in the world, but local stores, well, major chains will turn around and they'll price match under certain conditions. So one, if you can meet those conditions, knock yourself out. You might be wondering, why did I waste my money on this? Well, first off, yes. Second, I didn't pay the retail price. There was a local smaller store that was selling these cheaper, so I figured, why not? Why buy it? Well, after the fiasco with USB Type-C and the Switch, I'm not feeling very, yeah. Interesting texture to this. And it looks like it's only USB 2. Huh. I would have figured more. Oh well. So there's not much to it, but 1.5 volts. Not much to it. So I got a bit more weight to it than I was expecting. Anyway, on to the main course. So my intention with this is to play it with Pokken Tournament on the Switch. Now I did do some research online and it turns out you can actually use a secondary controller, you just have to do a particular thing before you start the game. And that is something I did purchase, but honestly there's not much unboxing to games. So what's this? Warranty information. Australia, blah blah blah. That is definitely not much of a USB cable. I mean, personally I like the cardboard cases and the boxes that Nintendo sell their stuff in. It's a little bit more recyclable than just total plastic. So here's my nice shiny new controller. So let's get a Type-C port on it, which is okay. So is there any power to this? Yes, it's still got power. Alright then, let's get this thing connected up. So I've got my Switch over here. Now, can you see that on screen? Turn it on. Yes. Okay, so now I've got this all set up. Let's see whether or not, no, let's see how difficult it is to connect the Switch, sorry, the controller to the Switch. So I'm going to go with controllers, pair new, done. About search for controllers. Now I'm guessing the button on the back of here, yep. No. Okay, so I've turned communication on with the Pro controller. Let's see if that's had any change. Re-enable so the lights on the bottom here start flashing again. And pair new controllers. So that's not doing anything. Oh man, that's convoluted. Okay, so why isn't this working? System settings, parental internet user, themes, controllers and sensors, Oh, there we go.
In Group Match, you can join all kinds of different groups and battle with other players.
Okay, let's just do a quick little start and see if this still works.
Which Pokemon are you battling with? Time to pick a support set. Which cheer skill would you like to use? Pick the stage you want to hold your battle in.
So let's test some of the functionality of the controller, see if it still works in game.
All right then, time for battle. Go show them what you're made of. Round one. Oh, that Pokemon looks like it will battle just the way you want it to. Let's keep our broadcast for a time. Age is increased.
Okay, snapshot, yep. So, well, looks like it works. I tried to hook up a secondary controller to the Wii U and play Pokemon Tournament, and that didn't work. However, for some reason in this, well, it is. Now, how do I exit the game? Close Software X. Close. And update. Alright, so I'm going to let that update. Alright, well, that took about 10 minutes of playing around, but turns out it works. The cable for this is a little small, however. I'm not too happy about that. But for the meantime, I'm going to do the smart thing, and that is plug this thing and let it charge up. Oops, you don't want to do that too much. Come on. There we go. That was convoluted. So, plug that in. And, well, thanks for watching. Yibbity yibba.